Hello, congratulations to you. Thank you for purchasing the proposal template, and here I'll be walking you through how to make use of it. So, firstly, what you need to have in mind is this works if you want to scale your business, whether you are a freelancer or you're a consultant or you are looking to start your own data business, or might not be only data, it might be any of the tech skills you work across. So, this is how you do, and this is how it works, what you will see after your purchase. So, there are people that will like, okay, yeah, you should work on a freelance platform or work anything. I do Upwork and these are extend my proposal. So those proposals that you send on Upwork, it's called cover letter. But actually, this is what you attach to actually get the job because there are some job you will see the money and you like job more than that. So if you can pitch your cover letter well and you attach the exact price, you get your money. And also when people reach out to you to work on a project, maybe you want to work in a team, let me open something I to charge my. Let me just show you. Let me show you a quick file that I have. So because you need to put in yourself as an as a consultant, as a problem solver, and as I get the exact money that you actually need to make money. So yeah, this funny thing about my own portfolio, whether any freelance platform I got asked I want to do. So this is how I do my service. I have full data team using this exact proposal I shared, exact proposal I do because this position me as an agency. I'm a wise. I'm still only the one. So I got a message like a lead a few days ago, and this is it. So you draft your proposal well, put this same option, which is what I used to tell you here, and you see because you will not charge less for what you want to do, and that's what I'm showing you here, and that's how you got this. You see, same as that template, and you see everything you want to see. So as I'm showing you the resource, a position you can be a full data team or a full dev team, anyone your skills is. Full data team, which is APM, architects, everything you want to like your data engineer, your data anything that you want to do for any of the data solution you provide. You can be a solo developer or admin, which is this is majorly what people in the what's it called freelancing does. You work on Upwork, you work on Fiverr, or any freelance platform, or even on your normal social media leads through visibility. So you are mostly a solo developer. And a white label developer is now it's for agencies like a company that needs somebody to just bring them to them. So there's like more of a consulting. So they need somebody to bring on board to just do that thing for them. So if you categorize yourself into these three things, and I just show you how I work, these are just my project kickoff on how I do my own stuff. So no matter anyone you want to give me, I already have this template tailored for any of solution I want to provide, whether as a solo developer, whether as a full team, which is as an agency, or I want to work or partner with another agency. So you give me your brief, your problem you are going through. I will say, okay, yeah, this is currently the problem you say your company is going through, the pain points you identify. Don't forget I showed you something here that said this is how I work. Before you can do anything with me, any of anywhere you find me, if you go same thing I call on my social page. And in my link tree, the first thing you'll see before you get to me is introductory call because you need to book that time for you to be able to see, for me to know what you want to like do or what I want to provide you. Since so this is my link to of what you want to do. For anything you want to do, whether as a data and automation consultation, you find it there. You need a data analytics support or anything. You need a training. You for anything you want to like. This is the first step. Once I know what you want to do, I will know the next step of what is telling you that okay, yeah, this is what your problem entails, and I'll put it in a proposal for you. It will be something that we need to deliver. So once I understand the current pain points, I put it here, and then what are the solutions that will help you with that, and I will make a detailed step for that. and then I'll give you some these sample KPIs. So POC is somebody that has not like seen your work before, and you are trying to win them over. It doesn't like matter because if somebody actually knows what you are doing already and already see your work and you be visible there, you have a portfolio. You don't need to brag about it or you need to prove anything to anybody. But if they haven't like to, this is actually good for company a lot. If you find yourself maybe somebody wants to outsource something, a company for you, you need to do a little things to say, okay, yeah, this is how the end goal will look like because they don't have the knowledge. But people that have the knowledge, you don't need to do POC. So that's why I say it is optional for example, I haven't seen a solution or similar to their problem before, and they want to invest to you. So and that this is one thing. This way you now charge your money. This timeline milestone. So I always add my calls to my milestone because I already pitched to these people. We already have this. I'm telling them I'll send my proposal to them after our discovery call. So here I will know whether they want to work with me or they want to work because if you see an exact solution because you are communicating the exact value to them on their first go and they can see yeah this person understands this and this person doesn't understand this. If I show the follow-up email that I sent, which day is this? I think this is Tuesday, 11:25. This is this person. They want to be an HR solution, and then they want to look at anything you want to do. So if they go through this and do any other thing you want to do, and you put everything you want to put, you see. So here, I always recommend to charge in fixed price. I don't do hours, but if you work on freelance platform or anywhere, that's the reason I put two options here. So if you want to charge hourly or if you want to charge daily, so I mostly use this for most of my proposals. But it depends on anyone you do. You calculate your rates per hour. So if it is on a platform or all those high agencies, calculate your rates per hours. You look at the days that it will cost you and put it there. So if you are spending 8 hours in a day or 4 hours in a day, that's in 2 days you're spending 8 hours and you put your actual price equivalent to that. And that's how you charge. So everything of the milestone, let's say you're building a data solution. How do you start? This is the entire data solution. Ingestion to Power BI, cleaning and to but one of the things I do now is if as an agency is you need to have like a requirement gathering session and you will see all of that. So this timeline assume parallel work and availability of the company name because it depends on their availability. You might just say, okay, we'll take you 15 days. When you start having the requirement gathering with them and you understanding how what they want to work, you can extend the days and improve your what's it called and improve your milestone. So, and here it's now making them that you understand and you want to confirm because this proposal is telling you that yeah, they already tell you their problem. You now want them to know that you understand their problem and this is the solution to their problem. So no matter anybody that wants to go through this, they already know that okay, yeah, this person actually understood us. Do we have the money? If they have the money, yeah, because it gives the confidence and give them the trust that they can work with this person. Question to confirm before kickoff. So do you currently so this is it this is just a template and I will show you how to use it if you want to do any other of your job. And I've been using this over a year and yeah, it's been good. So this is a question you ask for them to validate that okay, yeah, do they have what it takes to build the solution? Like do you have because it's a Power BI solution, do you have Power BI Pro or premium accounts for this? If I remain anywhere, like because you're asking them a thoughtful question about what they do because this is what you determine that okay, yeah, the price might change. If they don't have licensing, you know that okay, you will need to purchase a licensing after all of this. So you give them those clarity of okay, this is what you do. Even though there are some questions if they answer, you will go into your pricing model and milestone and timeline that okay, yeah, because this doesn't affect, we need to add this to this. And that's how you don't leave money on the table. So and you tell them the benefit of after all this thing has been done, what are they looking to? And then the next step, and that's that. As I mentioned, POC is not important because it depends on the type of people you want to work with. So, and how can you use this? You go to ChatGPT. You can just ChatGPT. Give me just upload the file there and then write the problem. You need to write the problem statement. Then in ChatGPT, first thing you put your problem statement. For example, let me just say write a I want to write a proposal for a landscaping business. So You put it and you put in this quotation because this is I want to specify the problem of what we discover. So I had a call with a US based local landscaping business. They are having problem. They are having problem on which which of their solutions is they're having problem on knowing which of their solution is selling across their vicinity. They don't have visibility to their performance and operational operational costs using a template attached draft a proposal on how to help them provide solution to their problem using data they have. So you attach the file, then I'll go here. I'm gonna attach the file. So you go there, you attach the file. So this might not be just showing the sample of how this works, so you need to understand the actual problem. You can adopt my own method of approach, how I work. The first thing is introductory call, and you can find my link here. Anything you want to go through here will lead you to my booking page. So if you click on this, you will see my booking page. So anything you want to get to me on the very first time, I need to understand why you are coming to me in the first place. So, and this is it for all my solutions. Whether you want to get it, you need advice or anything, I have everything structured because you need to position yourself, not just a random person. Even though you are just starting out, and you need to give that room for having a discovery call. You might not have this booking, but Calendly is a very very good one to start with. So, and that's what I will advise you to do. So now you get this now. How does I'm showing you how it works, and I can tell you for a fact is I'm telling you for a fact is it is not for if you know you've not figured out yourself, or if you have start figuring out you're building visibility and you're having leads, or you're already getting gigs and you want to upskill, you want to scale your pricing. And I'm showing you how the pricing model goes, and this is it. So you can see he adopts the template, which is here. During our recent call, your team so face this. It will give you the because you already understand what they currently have already, and then you give ChatGPT now you what's it called? You update it, you fine tune it how you want it to be. The one that doesn't give you anything, and you do. So you see, you just copy and edit the templates one by one. Just start it and manipulating the templates. So that is how it works. If you have any question or need any clarity on it, you can send me a message either on LinkedIn or on my Twitter. And you can, if you have any solution you want to build solution for, you can send it to me, or you can book a time using my link to a call. So, and this is how this solution works. So if you let me know if you start implementing it as you get it now, and any update I get for you, please come back to the seller page and leave a review on how it works for you or how it's improve your earning and how improve how you position yourself. So thank you. Bye guys.